Looking for the absolute truth about the Zeely AI app? Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are giving you an honest, no-nonsense review of Zeely AI for 2026. While its automated ad process looks incredibly simple, the real question is whether the steep financial commitment is actually worth it. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what Zeely gets right. The app instantly creates AI influencer videos and static ads, simply by analyzing your product link. For small businesses, this saves a massive amount of time and effort in content creation. You can literally launch full ad campaigns on social media directly in minutes, with the AI assisting in budget management. Despite some minor inconsistencies in avatar quality, it is a powerful, all-in-one tool for quick advertising. But let's break down the pricing reality. The main issue is that serious growth requires a costly, high-tier plan. While the starter plan at around $29 a month is tempting, it heavily restricts your ad campaigns. To get real results, you are pushed toward the much more expensive growth plan. Zeely becomes effective only for those willing to incur significant recurring expenses and rely entirely on its proprietary algorithms. Now, for the honest verdict, you need to proceed with extreme caution. A quick search reveals frequent one-star reviews on Trustpilot. The most common complaints: terrible customer support, the inability to easily cancel subscriptions, and serious billing issues, like being charged for ad clicks that never actually arrived in your store. For many users, these systemic flaws completely overshadow the AI features. The bottom line? Zeely AI offers great tech, but the back-end support and billing make it a highly risky investment right now. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech reviews. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.